How do you view the bottom of really tall cells in Excel? When there are very tall cells in Microsoft Excel, trying to scroll via mouse or even via scroll bar, clicking on an LT and GT pointers just jumps below to the next cell, hiding the bottom content of the large cell in question. Is there an option to have Excel scroll smoothly? So far I found only one way: click middle button on mouse, and scroll smoothly by moving mouse aside.
This is more of a design flaw in Excel than a bug. It's definitely a usability problem, as it is super easy to scroll past a cell with it basically never showing in the view. As much as I hate to suggest this, I hate this feature. You can middle drag to scroll smoothly. Once you release / click again / move the mouse over top of the origin, Excel will snap the top of the view again. This same problem is present in Office 2010 under Windows 7.
This is a limitation of Excel. 2 options. Change your cell height manually. Right-click on the row number on the left side, choose row height. Don't use enormous cells. If it's only one cell, don't use one big cell, but instead merge a large hash of cells vertically using Merge and Center. This will allow a smooth scroll in relation to that newly merged cell.
You won't be able to not scroll by rows, but you can minimize them to one row. Just change the mouse wheel setting to 1, as per this link. If you use the scroll lock button, then using the arrow keys will move the screen instead of the cursor.
You can also insert 2 blank rows between your large rows, then hide the blank rows. This will make Excel act as though you change your mouse line scroll to one line but not affect your other applications. This might not solve your entire need, if one large row doesn't even fit on one screen, but it will help a little.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.